This coin is one of my favorite coins to make a ring out of. The obverse and the reverse side, just awesome. But the obverse side with the date, number 1, number 2, with "In God We Trust," and that just pops out. Now, especially the 50-cent piece has like a nice medium-sized band. It's not too big and it's not too small. Great ring for the first time coin ring owner. And it's this process I learned to take my time, because one of the hardest rings also for me to make in recent times has been the half dollar, because of the thick and thin spots of the coin. If you notice, you have a high and low relief, and when it's come down to coin ring making, it's really difficult to shape the coin, especially during the folding phase, because the coin can sometimes become wobbly. So I take my time, especially when I'm making videos. But this request is from Doug Harding, one of my loyal subscribers. This coin is from his personal collection, and he wanted me to make this coin into a coin ring for one of his friends. So here you go, Doug. I'm making the ring that you asked for. I hope that you like it. Now, through this process, I want to make sure that I size it correctly. So right now, the desired size is 9.5. You want to take your coin ring to about 2 sizes above your desired requests, right? So, in order for me to do that, I have to anneal the coin. Apply some heat, and that softens up the metal and allows me to stretch and shape it on my ring stretcher. Now, through this prod, I want to make sure that I don't overstretch it. As you move the metal, it starts to work hard, and you have to anneal again. As I take it off the ring stretcher, I see that I'm exactly 2 sizes above my desired size, which means I'm on point. And the coin is shaping up pretty nice. But I gotta heat that baby up again, man, because I gotta move it some more. I like that sound when I quench the metal. Now, this tape is one of my favorite tapes because it helps keep the design intact. This is plumbing tape. You can find it at Lowe's, Home Depot, or any one of your home, ideal stores. I go to Home Depot because it's close to my house, right? The tape costs about $3, so you can go ahead and wrap away. And that's going to keep the detail of your coin intact. Now, that process is called a Swedish wrap, and it kind of brings shape to the ring and also decrease the size. The next thing I want to do is deburr the inside of that coin and use sandpaper to smooth out those rough edges, because I'm almost finished this masterpiece. Definitely love how this ended up. It fits like a charm. So what I do next is polish it and send it out to the customer. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my next video. Take care.